This is DJI's new Avata 360. Specifically, DJI Australia sent over the Fly More combo, which retails for $1,619. Plus the DJI Goggles N3 and DJI RC Motion 3 controller that you'll need for first-person view or FPV flying, which comes with its own very special set of rules that are worth reading up on. So the hype on the DJI Avata 360 is its ability to capture 360-degree footage in 8K resolution. This means you simply send the drone up, focus on flying, and not have to worry about pointing the camera in the right direction. You can do all of that later in the DJI Studio software because you've captured every angle during flight. Now, that being said, the Avata 360 can also operate in single lens mode for more traditional video capture in 4K. Okay, so the 360-degree 8K capture is a game changer for content creation. But there are some other great features that also enhance that experience further, like Spotlight and Active Track modes, where you can lock onto and follow a subject flying around or locked at a specific angle. Now, if you're new to drone flying, perhaps don't start on Sport mode. As you can see, it's fast, and obstacle avoidance is switched off. Now, apart from this moment in a very wide open space, I mostly stayed on Cine mode as it's the most stable for video capture. Now, my final shout out is for the DJI RC2 controller. The screen is crisp and real-time video transmission from the drone was rock solid in all of my flights. The Avata 360, cool drone. I'm going to go fly it some more before they ask for it back.